Living in a small apartment usually means making tough choices about what kind of gear you can actually fit into your life. You want to stay fit. You do not want to become the person that every neighbor on the floor hates because of a noisy machine. That is where this specific magnetic exercise bike really finds its lane. The silence is the first thing you notice. It uses a belt drive and magnets instead of a physical brake pad or a clunky chain. This setup creates a riding experience that is nearly hushed. You can catch up on your favorite shows. You can listen to a podcast without having to crank the volume to the max just to hear over the machine. The frame is surprisingly beefy. It holds up well for something in this price range. It is made of steel. It feels planted. When you are halfway through a long climb and you start to put some real weight into the pedals, the bike stays put. That stability is huge for building confidence. Cheaper bikes often feel like they might tip over if you breathe on them too hard. This one avoids that entirely. Assembly is another area where it shines for the average person. You do not need to be a professional mechanic to get this thing moving. Most people have it ready to go in under 45 minutes. It is a straightforward process. The tools you need come right in the box. Once you are on it, the magnetic resistance offers a smooth transition between levels. It does not feel jerky. It does not jump suddenly from easy to impossible. This makes it a great starting point if you are just getting back into a routine. The app connectivity helps you stay motivated too. It syncs up your time and distance. You can actually see your improvements week after week. However, we have to talk about the seat. It is quite firm. Most people will probably end up buying a gel cover. They might even wear padded shorts for those longer rides. It is a standard issue with these types of bikes. The seat and handlebars are adjustable though. You can usually find a comfortable geometry if you spend a few minutes tweaking the height and reach. This bike is really built for that steady, low-impact cardio. It is not meant for Olympic-level sprinters. The flywheel is light. If you try to do extreme high-intensity intervals, you might feel its limits. But for a solid 40-minute sweat session while you watch the news, it is hard to beat the value. You get a basic display that shows your speed and calories. It is not a high-tech supercomputer. It gives you the vital signs of your workout though. Maintenance is almost zero. Since there is no friction from a felt pad, nothing really wears out in the short term. You just keep it clean and enjoy the ride. It is a practical, honest piece of equipment. It is for someone who wants to burn some calories without a massive headache. You are getting a sturdy, silent, and compact partner for your daily cardio that fits right into your living room. It is all about finding that balance between home convenience and a solid workout. This is about making fitness accessible without needing a dedicated gym room. You can roll it into a corner when you are done. The transport wheels make that easy. It is built for real life. It is built for people who want results without the drama of complex machinery. That is the real appeal here. It just works.